Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is International Day of Women Judges. Yesterday, that is 10th March, was observed as International Day of Women Judges. The day aims to bring to light the contributions made by women judges in all areas of adjudication, empower girls and women who want to go into the field of law, and promote gender equality in a democratic society. Significantly, the resolution in this regard was passed by the United Nations General Assembly in April 2021. Note that the day was organized for the first time yesterday as the International Day of Women Judges. Now, information about United Nations General Assembly. It is one of the 6 organs of the United Nations. It was established in October 1945. There are currently 193 countries as members, and its headquarters is in New York. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.